Most campers tie their tarp lines straight down at 90-degree angles, but that creates the weakest possible tension. The fabric flutters constantly in wind, and the whole setup feels unstable. Here's what experienced campers do instead. Tie your guy lines at 45-degree angles, away from each attachment point. This creates triangular tension instead of linear tension. The physics is simple. When you pull straight down, all the force goes in one direction. But when you angle the lines, the forces spread out and balance each other. Much stronger hold. Position your ground stakes about 3 feet away from the tarp edge, not directly underneath. The angled lines form triangles that eliminate movement completely. Even in strong wind, the tarp stays rock solid. As conditions change throughout the day, you can adjust the tension without moving the stakes. Just tighten or loosen the lines at the tarp end. Same tarp, same stakes. But now your shelter actually works like it's supposed to. No more flapping fabric keeping you awake all night.